He touched it. In Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, Surah Baqarah, chapter 2, verse 223. What? Chapter 2, verse 223. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And the men need to listen to this good, Nisa'ukum harthul lakum. Chapter 2, verse 223. What is Allah saying in this verse? And I just want to read in one because I don't have time to get into it. Allah says, your wives are like your cultivation for production and procreation. So much care. That's just the opposite to what politicians and governments tell you. Governments tell you it's just a lust and a desire. Don't procreate and don't cultivate. Allah is saying, your wives, nisa'ukum harthul lakum, is your cultivation for production of human beings. Oh yeah. Subhanallah. And then Allah says, fa'atu harathakum anna shi'tum. Allah says, that's a gift from Allah to you. You benefit from your wives, so Allah has given you as bounties. That's the mechanism Allah has designed for the many men and the many women, the 8 billion people we have today in the world. It was, Allah says, the whole objective of marriage is for production. Yeah? Production, procreation. Muslims are supposed to be productive. As I said in the beginning of the khutbah, those of you who came late, this is a very controversial topic that a lot of people who don't follow the line of Quran and Sunnah, we may not believe in it. And this is direct Quran. You know, if I quote hadith, you're going to say, well, Zaif, weak, Salafi, Tablighi, Shafi, Hanbali, Shia, we don't believe in that. Well, you all believe in the Quran. We're going to stick with Quran, inshallah. You know, some scholars have gone so far that you should not intentionally have a physical relation with your wife if it's only for desire and not for production. God, that'll make a lot of you guilty, very, very guilty. Allah says, you have how much physical relationship with your wife? Go ahead. Look, the verse tells you that here. He says the purpose is to be on your wife. Have fun, man. Have production and enjoy it. Not put them in a room and you just use them to make money and help you pay the bills. That was not the purpose of wives and husbands. The purpose was to come together and have a physical, loving relationship. Establish a family. Be productive. A lot of people marry their spouses only to be productive with houses and cars and money. And that's what they produce. Instead of producing children, they produce houses and cars and dollars. And Allah says, your spouses, you come together for production of human beings. That's how Allah says it. You could believe it how you want.